To start an eBay auction in 2025, begin by creating an eBay account if you do not already have one. Go to the eBay website and click on the register link. Then follow the prompts to enter your details and create a username and password. Once you have an account, log in and click on the sell link at the top of the page. Next, choose the type of listing you want to create, either an auction or a fixed price listing. For this example, we will choose an auction listing. Enter the details of the item you want to sell, including the title, description, and price. Make sure the title is descriptive and includes relevant keywords that buyers will use to search. For the item, add high-quality photos of the item from different angles, and include any relevant specifications or details. Set the starting price and the duration of the auction, and choose the shipping options and costs. You can also set a reserve price, which is the minimum price you are willing to accept for the item. Choose the payment methods you will accept, such as PayPal or credit cards. You can also add any additional details or policies, such as return or refund policies. Once you have entered all the details, review the listing carefully to make sure everything is accurate and complete. Finally, click the List Item button to create the listing and start the auction. Your item will now be live on eBay and available for buyers to bid on. Monitor the auction and respond to any questions or messages from buyers. Once the auction ends, follow through with the sale and ship the item to the buyer in a timely manner. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a successful eBay auction and sell your item to a wide audience of buyers. Remember to always follow eBay's policies and guidelines, and to provide excellent customer service to build a positive reputation as a seller.